Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be reviewing very quick gold, Ethereum and Bitcoin a little bit. So I'm mentioning gold because I have commented on this in a couple of previous videos, and some people are asking me if I can show the chart. So what I basically said about gold, I said that it might be a good opportunity to buy in the near future, but that's not, I never intended to say that it's a good time to go ahead and buy gold. I never said that, and I didn't mean to say that. We are in a consolidation period. After we finish this consolidation, we can either go up or down. There's no warranty, or there's not even a big percentage of probability that this is going to go down after this. In fact, it could perfectly go down to 750 for an 80% correction after the bubble. So this is the Fibonacci retracement tool from bottom to top. Now it's consolidating between the 61.8 and the 38.2. It's consolidating around here, but it's very, very possible that after this we continue with the bear trend down to correct to 80%. So there's no warranty. It's not a time to buy gold in my view, but it's time to watch it. Let's see what happens after this consolidation. Same goes for Ethereum. So this is the chart for Ethereum. It's a similar situation actually. If we go actually back to the previous bubble in 2015, I believe it was. In beginning of 2016. We had this bubble here. And then we had some consolidation at the level of, same with gold, between the 61.8 and 38.2%. It consolidated here for some time, but then what happened? It just continued the bear trend until the 80% level, the 78.6% level to be exact. So this is very, very typical in bubbles. Usually the bubble finishes the cycle at the 80% correction. So yeah, there's nothing clear with gold yet, so I never intended to to advise people to buy gold or anything like that. I'm just watching it. I said I was neutral, just like I said I was neutral for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I said I have been bearish all this time from the top until here. Now we are consolidating, so I said I'm neutral. I said I'm not bearish, I'm not bullish, I'm neutral. After this consolidation, we can either go up or down. If I had to, I think I'm 50-50 or even more inclined that the bear market will continue to the 80% correction, just because it's more common in bubbles to, when it pops, it goes down to the 80% correction, at least sometimes even 90%. So yeah, I'm not I'm neutral on gold and in Ethereum. So I don't, I said it many times, I don't trade these parts. I don't try to time the swings in consolidation periods, because whatever people want to say, it's not easy to time these parts. It's just so much easier to trade either an uptrend or a downtrend, not these parts. And for Bitcoin, here, so we had a couple of consolidation periods in Bitcoin, one back here at the level of $3,000. So yeah, as I said, I traded. I didn't really trade this part. I just accumulated here for 900 and then sold on these highs and get away from these consolidation parts, and then caught the early uptrend as well. I bought at 3.3 and I sold at 4. Period. I'm out of here. Now we're going through another consolidation with Bitcoin as well. So yeah, since I sold at 4,000, that was exactly 1 month ago, 30 days. So for 30 days until now we are at 4,100, so it's a break-even situation. If I would have been holding my Bitcoin instead of selling at 4,000, just holding it, I would be in a break-even situation, because we're back at 4,000. And for a break-even situation, being 1 month, like 30 days, stressing out with these ups and downs, being under 4,000 for all these days, then up above and then crash again, for all this stress for 30 days and then end up with a break-even situation, what I mean when I say it's better to get away of these parts is exactly what I mean. Why would you be worrying for 30 days, going up and down, crashing and going up for, you know, a break-even situation? Now, if you have been trading these parts and you've been able to time it, then okay, congratulations for you. I know most you know, pro traders, they just don't trade these parts because they end up breaking even. They make a lot of profits in uptrends and in downtrends. In these parts, professional traders almost like break even, sometimes lose a little bit of money, sometimes they make small little gains. But yeah, as I said, from 30 days until today, you would be in a 3% profit if you have held. So yeah, that's why I don't think it's worth it. What else? Of course, the Ethereum versus USD. No, this is Bitcoin Cash. Ethereum versus USD is crashing big time because Bitcoin is crashing big time, and this is measured against Bitcoin and Bitcoin against the dollar. So whatever Bitcoin does, it's going to affect any other altcoin that it's traded versus the US dollar. So all this time it's been going up because Bitcoin was going up, and now Bitcoin is crashing, so this is going to crash as well if you know, chart against the US dollar. Now I'm expecting another pump. I don't know if it's going to be a lot or not, but I'm expecting, you know, after we finish this crash, we will see a few green candles going up. Of course, nothing goes down forever or up forever, so that would be, today would be a very bad time if you wanted to sell. You might as well wait a little bit until this reverses, and when it bounces up, then you know, you try to sell. If you want to sell, you would try to sell for the best price possible. Now is the worst time possible. So you would want to wait until it bounces and try to sell it on the pump if you want to sell it, of course. If not, just keep holding it. But I think Bitcoin, it's not going to give up trying to break the $5,000 mark. So we had so far 1, 2, 3 days crashing, and this fourth day the candle just opened not that long ago. So the day basically just started. So after this finishes crashing, I don't know exactly when, I expect to see a few green candles up, trying to get close to the $5,000 mark. I'm not sure how close from the $5,000 level it's gonna be. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a little bit under it, a little bit above it. I'm not gonna try and figure this out. I'm not interested in trading this part or in going long here for the little profit. I'm not interested in going long here for the little profit versus all the risk. Okay, so I'm just gonna watch it just like I have been doing for the past 30 days, and as I have just showed, for 30 days we would be breaking even. So what I will do though, if I see this goes near $5,000 and it cannot break the $5,000, whether it's a little bit below or above, but it's somewhere near 5,000, and I see a reversal with at least 2 confirmations, for example, or one confirmation would be a reversal candle, and another confirmation would be breaking down support. So that would be 2 confirmations. If I have at least 2 confirmations of a trend reversal, meaning Bitcoin cannot break 5,000 up, then I will probably decide to go short on Bitcoin. Now, because I say I'm thinking about going short, it doesn't mean I'm going to go short for sure. I said I am not sure if it's going to break the 5,000 or not, but if it doesn't, and if I have confirmations, I will probably enter a short position and write it down to the $3,000 mark, which is what I'm thinking it could happen. So this is my thoughts for the Bitcoin short term. And yeah, I'm gonna leave this video here. I hope this is helpful and clear, and if not, please leave your comments down below and I'll try to answer as usual. Thank you very much for being here, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.